Okay, Python 3, building applications using Minecraft, Python API, Ethan song. My idea was inspired by Bolivian amphitheater and the desire to watch people such things fight. What did I learn and use? My project uses advanced building techniques and teleportation method, cutting using short-term blocks put together to make a big one. Each one needs to be teleported every time we build. And these are code examples in live demonstration.
Oops, no big face, please for meeting. What's this?
Okay. Um, this is like a platform to fight and stuff. And then my favorite part of this project was getting to work with Agent. Improvements if I were to keep working on this project, I would to add speed, art, and details such as like making this thing more realistic. And yeah.